Hey everyone, I'm Heinz and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be doing a follow-up video on a FRZ Breakout Scalper. What this means is we'll be looking at verified trading results, the settings that I've been using for the expert advisor, as well as some additional tips and hints. Now, I've been running the FRZ Breakout Scalper on the FBS Real account with a starting deposit of only $200. The robot is designed to target quick breakouts where it looks for speed of price movement to determine its entries. Now, this algo scalping account focuses on robots where each trade has a stop loss and take profit, meaning we don't use any risky strategies like Martingale or grid. Now, the robot in this example took two sell trades when it saw a breakout to the downside on the Euro USD dollar. Now, this system has been running since the 2nd of August 2024, and next we'll look at the exact trading results of this one FRZ Breakout Scalper, as well as Top Trend Basic, New Way Basic, and Funnels Beta. Now, all of these robots are available for free, so make sure if you haven't taken a closer look to also start your FRZ breakout journey. Now, like I've said, I was trading the robots since the 2nd of August using settings that I've previously shared on the channel and we'll take a closer look at later on in the video. However, for now, let's head over to my FX book and see the trading results of the FRC Breakout Scalper on this FBS Real account. Now, so far, the account is currently up 5.79% or an absolute gain of 7.34 on a starting deposit of only $200. And I've been trading four different expert advisors, including FRC Breakout Scalper, New Way Basic, Top Trend Basic, and Tunnels Beta. However, the one that's been running the longest on the account and has placed the highest quantity of trades is the FRZ Breakout Scalper. And if we use the custom analysis function on my FX book, we can now track the exact results of that specific EA. So currently this account is up over $14. However, if we focus only on FRC Breakout Scalper, which is 10,024 as the magic number, you'll see that one is up currently 10.28% gain, or in other words, $22.02. This gives us an absolute gain for this EA on the account of 11.01. Now that we're going to look at the statistics, please pay close attention as we will be comparing these statistics to what we see in the strategy tester. Currently, it's 158% of the trades, or 25 out of the 43 that have been placed, and we'll also see our average win and average loss. On top of this, we currently see a profit factor of 1.14, which is very close to what we'll see in the strategy test in a few minutes. On top of this, it has a positive expectancy showing me that I'll continue running it on the account, increasing the lot sizing to see if we can't even get a better result. So now that we've looked at the basics, let's take a look at the strategy tester and the settings for FRZ Breakout Scalper. So the test was done on the Euro USD on the M1 time frame, and I'm testing from the 10th of January 2024 until the 10th of January 2025 on a balance of $200, using every tick based on real ticks, which gives us the most accurate trading results. Now, next, we'll do a deep dive into the settings that I've been using, and I'll share with you exactly how the robot works. Now, when looking at the FRZ Breakout Scalper, there are a few different versions of the free example. So it's important that we look at some settings that are confluence across them so that we can ensure that you get the right results. So for the pip rise or pip falls, I've selected 9, but the time to rise and time to fall, which is a crucial one for this EA, is set at 3 seconds. I started using an initial lot of 0.04 with a take profit of 34 pips and a stop loss of 20 pips. I don't use the break-even function, but I do use a trailing stop function of 20 with a spread filter of 10. This can of course be adjusted to your broker and will make a big difference if it enters trades when the spread has gone way out of bounds. On top of this, I use a broker setting time to run it from 8:30 in the morning GMT plus 2 until 10:30 at night GMT plus 2. Now, the next part is very important when it comes to price optimization. This determines whether the robot will use its grid or martingale function. To deselect this, I've set it to false, meaning it will only use single entries, with each entry having a stop loss, take profit, and a trailing stop. So it's important when you make these adjustments that you adjust the spread filter according to your own broker and ensure that you have price optimization selected to disabled. Now for the results, we'll be looking from the 10th of January 2024 until the 10th of January 2025. In other words, we'll be focusing on a 12-month period, which we've also traded in, so we can see if the results are exact or comparable to what we got. So if we head over to the graph, we'll see that it does take losses like any of these robots that have a stop loss and take profit. However, it is able to nicely recover and end in a profit. Now, if we look at this graph, this is typical of graphs that bots that don't use grid or martingale. So that is one of the key characteristics if you want to define this from any of the other robots available on the MQL5 marketplace. If we look at the backtesting results, it made a total net profit of $191.39 with a low drawdown of only 26%. Out of the 376 trades, it won 55%, which is close to our MyFX book, and the same can be said for the profit factor at 1.13. So this shows us that the results are comparable to what we've been achieving in the live market. Now, one of the next questions will be is how do I download the FRZ Breakout Scalper? Now, the FRZ Breakout Scalper is available for both MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4, giving the opportunity for both new and experienced traders to test this trading robot. On top of this, they've also released a pro version that has additional functions and benefits, which we'll explore in a second. So you're going to head over to FRZ software, and I'll leave a link down in the video description so you can also take advantage of this profitable free trading robot. Now, like I said before, the EA or expert advisor trades on price breakouts. What this means in simple terms, in our settings, it looks for either a rise or fall in 9 pips in 3 seconds. Then on top of this, there are also additional features in the Pro version, which is only $85, that can add an additional dynamic function to your trading. This includes a high impact news filter, anytime trading, support and resistance filter, as well as other key factors that can increase the profitability of the robot. Now, what I'll be doing is getting advantage or taking advantage of the paid version, and we'll compare the results of the Pro and the free. What this means is we'll be looking at both of them, and in a future video, we'll do a deep dive into the Pro version of the FRZ Breakout Scalper. Now, for those of you that are using MetaTrader 5, there's both a MetaTrader 4 and a MetaTrader 5 version available. And if any of you are currently using this or the Pro version on your trading account, feel free to leave a comment down below and tell us if you've also been experiencing positive results. Now for this robot, which is $85, I'll leave a link down in the description for those of you that also want to take advantage of the Pro version. Now, with all of that said, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking the time and watching the video until the end. If you found any of the information useful, please drop the video also a like. Also consider subscribing to stay updated with future content. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.